Hey guys, Dino here. Hope you're all having a great day. So today's video is going to be the Landyachtz Tugboat side by side with the loaded Coyote. So this board is the Landyachtz Tugboat. However, it is one I have not featured on the channel yet. I've had it for a while, but I thought I'd share it with you guys now. So this is a UV edition. As you can tell, it was turning purple there. So today's video we're going to talk about, so I'm going to go over the specs on the Tugboat and the Coyote, and I'll talk about some of the riding differences on how they feel and what I think each is better at. So first off, we have the loaded Coyote. That's what I'm riding here now, and the loaded Coyote comes in at 30.75 inches, so just under 31 inches. It has a width of 8.375 inches. It's got a wheelbase of 17.5 inches, which gets an asterisk because that's awesome. And it's got the trucks on this one are the Paris Street Tracks, 129 millimeter, with the orangutan fat-free 65 millimeter wheels, and they are the 83A Purple Edition. So the Tugboat, the Landyachtz Tugboat, comes in at 30 inches, so it's just a little bit shorter, at 9.34 inches in total width, so it's actually over an inch wider. The wheelbase on it is 15 inches, so although that's really good for a Landyachtz cruiser board, it is definitely shorter than the Coyote by 2.5 inches. The trucks, though, the trucks are wider. You are able to have wider trucks because you have a wider deck. So the trucks are 155 millimeter compared to the 129s. And the wheels, though, the wheels are smaller. The wheels are the 63 millimeter Easy Hogs. Now, the orangutan 65 millimeter fat freeze are what I'm riding here. That's what you're looking at. And I really like these wheels. But when you compare them to the Landyachtz wheels, they feel like they don't want to slide. The Easy Hogs are some of the best wheels, for at least in my opinion, for anyone who wants to learn to slide. And I'm sure if you already know how to slide, you would probably say that's true, because they break really easy and they make it super easy to learn on. So yeah. Now let's watch some footage, and then I'll pop in a moment and we'll talk about some of the differences of the boards. Man, that loaded Coyote is such a blast to skate, you guys. The one thing that I thought was kind of funny that my girlfriend said to me after we got done skating, because she usually follows me on her or one of the electric scooters. She goes, "Man, you were going fast today," and that always puts a smile on my face. But yeah, the Coyote does, I feel like, have a really good cruising speed because of the longer wheelbase. With a wheelbase coming in at 17.5 inches on a cruiser board that's under 31 inches, I mean, the wheelbase is over half the deck. So I think that's awesome. It really allows me to carry a lot of speed. It really gives me a lot of stability. The shape and the curves of the deck really lock my feet in. So when I go from pushing to, if I want to turn my feet and get sideways or do different things, it really locks my feet in. Now, the tugboat, on the other hand, is still very stable. The wheelbase coming in at 15 inches on a 30-inch deck, so you have at least half of the length of the deck in the wheelbase. And as you can see there, it really does still allow you to slide it. And I have a lot of stability with it. So I'm not complaining, definitely, in regards to stability over, in the tugboat versus the Coyote. But, it is notable that the Coyote does have a 2.5-inch longer wheelbase. However, even though the tugboat has wider trucks, being that it has a shorter wheelbase, it does make it super carvy and super fun. Now, earlier you saw me go down the same hill on the Coyote. You see me going down it here on the tugboat. Now, I'm not going as fast on the tugboat for sure, but I'm still going fast, and I had fun. I was pumping down the hill, and it's a little hill, but yeah, we still had fun. And now this board's not going to be able to handle probably a real downhill run like the Coyote would. But yeah, it'll definitely have some fun. You can have some fun with some small hills. And the best thing about the tugboat is those easy hogs. You can really slide it with that. And I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. So hopefully, within the next few videos, you'll see that progression more and more. Now, what would I say that the main differences? Again, I kind of already talked about it. The Coyote with a longer wheelbase has the characteristic of the board is it's extremely stable, and the deck feels very stiff. On the tugboat, although the deck isn't flexy, it doesn't feel as stiff as the Coyote deck. And the wheelbase being a little shorter, it does make it a little bit more fun. Honestly, it does make it a little bit more fun to cruise on because it's a little carvier. And those easy hogs really, really just set the tone for the ride, because you can just turn it sideways whenever. Granted, you have the skill to do so. So those are my thoughts, you guys. I really do honestly love both boards. And if you were kind of choosing between either one of these two, I honestly don't think you can make a bad choice. But good luck, and stay safe, stay strong, get out and skate, or do something that makes you happy. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.